Hello, how to make the fight combo. This is my fight combo. So you hit them with the left hand, right hand, then right uppercut. So boom, 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 boom. See, this is the US one. So let's see that in actual action. See that? Let's see that in real action. Let's see that in action. Let's see in actual action. See? You say